In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Zapier. If you've ever wanted to streamline your workflow by connecting Asana to Zapier, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide is designed to be easy and efficient, so let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Asana website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for Asana. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. If you're a regular user of Google services, you can make use of the Continue with Google option. Just select the Google account you want to link with your Asana account, and you should be logged in. After you're logged into Asana, your next move is to navigate to your project. Look at the left-hand panel. This is where all your projects are neatly organized. Click on the project that you want to integrate with Zapier. Once you've entered the project, locate the Customize button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will open up a range of options that you can modify to suit your needs. Among these options is one labeled Apps. Click on this to start exploring the possible apps you can integrate with Asana. What you'll want to do next is click on the Add button. This will allow you to access an even broader selection of apps. Now look toward the bottom left side of your screen for a link that says View All Apps. Click on it to expand your options further. In the search bar that you'll see, type in Zapier. Asana will do its magic and bring up Zapier as a result. Click on Zapier to get more information about the app. You will then see an option to get Zapier. Click on Get Zapier to proceed. You'll be directed to a new window where you have the choice to connect your Google account to Zapier, or if you prefer, start with an email. Both options are good starting points, so pick whichever suits your preference or existing setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Asana with Zapier. This combination will open up a whole new level of task automation and efficiency. We hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If there are any other integrations or tips you'd like to explore, feel free to check out our other tutorials or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly automated workflow.